Hello students, this is PDJ ma'am, and in today's video we will be discussing about your entrepreneurship project. Okay, so entrepreneurship project 2021-2022, and we will be focusing on market survey because I did get a lot of requests regarding market survey, and I felt that there are certain things which needs to be clarified a bit to you all so that it will be easier for you to carry on with your projects. I'm sure you have already started working on it, and actually it's the first term submission date is just around the corner, so I'm sure you must have already done quite a bit about it or a part of it. But maybe if you watch this video, if there are certain doubts or certain things which you're still not very confident about, maybe you will find this helpful. So watch the video till the end, and if you find it useful, then please do share it so that your friends can also benefit from this. Okay, so now coming to your projects, by now I'm sure you at least have this much idea that from this year, at least for this year, you're making just one project for your entrepreneurship. I'm concentrating on class 12. I'm not talking about class 11 here. For that, I'll make a separate video. So this is only for students of class 12 having entrepreneurship in their CBSE exams. Okay, so from this year particularly, you are just having one project, which is a very good thing because you have a lot of time to finish off with your projects. But there are certain things which you need to keep in your mind. If you really want to score a 30 on 30, you should keep these points in your mind. The thing is that your entire session is divided into two terms, term 1 and term 2, and you will be evaluated not just at the end of the year but mid-year and then the end of the year. By mid-year, I'm talking about the first term actually, which will by mid-year I mean the first term, which is October November. You will be having your term 1, and then you have the final term, which is your term 2. Okay, so you will be evaluated twice. Your projects will be evaluated twice, once term 1 and then again in term 2. So you have to be prepared that way. You cannot just keep on everything for the last moment thinking that manage हो जाएगा, last दिन में कर लेंगे, वो कुछ बात नहीं है, बहुत दिन छुट्टी है, एग्ज़ाम के आगे एक दिन बैठ के सब कर लेंगे. ये वाला जो concept है, this thing will not work this year. So please keep this particular thing in mind. First of all, if you really want to score a 30 on 30 in your projects, otherwise there's no way you're scoring a 30 on 30. Okay, if you're not serious about your term 1 and term 2, you have no chance of scoring a 30 on 30, because at the end of each term you will be evaluated and the marks will be sent, over which the teachers will have nothing to do. So no extra time can be given by us, no matter how much you are pleading, how much you are saying, please, 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 ma'am, sir, give us 2 more days, 3 more days, 1 week time. Nothing is in our hand anymore. Okay, so the time is there, you will have to finish it off, and the marks goes, and that's recorded, so it cannot be altered. So please keep this thing in mind. So that's the first thing. The second thing is you have 2 projects. Now coming to the topic of your projects, you previously had 2 topics. Because you had to make 2 files. Okay, one was market survey and the other one was business plan. So the topics remains the same. You still have market survey, you still have business plan. The only change is that it's either or. So previously it was market survey and business plan. This time it is either market survey or business plan. Now what I have observed, most of the schools are going for market survey because we usually start with market survey and we give business plan a little later. Okay, we usually keep it for the second half. But by the time the schools had given out market survey as the topic, thinking that business plan will also be there, then this change in curriculum was released, and we understood that there is only one project to be done. Okay, so most of the schools have already given you market survey, and if you want to go with it, that's good, because by now I'm sure you must have already done quite a lot of work regarding your market survey. But please do remember, you do have the option to either go for market survey or to go for business plan. But whichever you are doing, get the permission of your teacher get his or her permission, because he or she will be able to guide you the best possible way. Okay, so either market survey or business plan. Now, how you will be evaluated, okay, is all given in the board circular that was given to us. Not just given to us, it's there on the CBSE portal, it's there on the CBSE site. If you have seen it, you must have also understood how you will be evaluated, and this is where I'll try to explain, because some points maybe it's not clear, or maybe you need a bit more of clarification. So now I will be turning my camera and showing you this and explaining it to you, that how I feel that you will be evaluated and what you should do to score good marks for your project. How should you go ahead with your project, okay? Because there should be some changes that needs to be incorporated from this year. Okay, so that is what I will be doing. So all those tips and suggestions about market survey I will be giving in the next part of my video. So this is market survey 1. If you have watched market survey 1, thank you. Please tune in to the other part also, market survey 2, where I will be discussing about all these things which has been mentioned by the board, and I will tell you my suggestions, my advice, which I feel if you follow will help you out. Okay, you will not lose.